This is an easy activity you can do with your kids. First, make the prop. Make some sort of treasure map. You can draw one that actually leads to something around your house, or you can just draw one that they can play with. Then, get a candle. Now you want it to go over the fire, but not completely burn. You're trying to make it look old and weathered. Of course, you can burn the edges just a little bit. Maybe it got in the fire. This is obviously something you are doing for your kids, not with them. This is something that my dad used to do for us, making it look old. Put on my candle. I think it's good though. Now. Not quite. We're going to wrinkle up the paper and unwrinkle it. And wrinkle it again. We want lots of uniform wrinkles to kind of make it look just like an old piece of paper. And probably it's going to have some rips.
All done.
And now you have an old treasure map that you can give to your kids. Thank you.